Yeah.
It's great. I like it. I want to try again.
Okay. So,
It's great.
right, thank you.
Because of my work, I really travel in work, so I have some different copies from different countries, like Ethiopia, and like Brazil, and like other countries. Yeah, and I can't remember now all, but I have different Tesco copies in my home also, and it is the better one. I would like to say that it's the better one to drink.
Best in the world?
Yeah, best in the world, inshallah.
Alright, thank you so much. Nothing on the taste of this coffee.
It's a really different coffee with really high acidity and so different from them.
It's really delicious. I've never tasted anything like it. It's super flavorful. It's really filling. It's really, really delicious. Really unique flavor.